Even want to run a race. Will Bear, come into the room. Have to look that one up. Baby Pony is taking Kitten and Puppy for a ride. He is a Shetland pony, so he will not grow very much bigger. There's the pony. And there's the dog and the cat in the cart. Baby cow is called a calf. She says moo. It's time for lunch, or dinner, or breakfast. Well, I hope you had a wonderful day today. And these good old books, the old golden books, Baby Farm Animals. Have a great day, folks. Cowboy Short, like, share, and subscribe. The Double Dog dare you. See ya.